Hey guys, how's it going? Let's talk about AEW Dynamite from the 26th of June 2024. Firstly, and as always, this video in no way has been designed to deceive anyone. There is no actual footage in this video. This video is audio only, and this video has been created to still photos only due to copyright issues. If you wish to watch this episode or pay-per-view of All Elite Wrestling, then head over to their social media platforms and I'm sure they'll help you out, or subscribe to the correct platforms. Welcome to Wednesday Night Dynamite. I'll keep you guys posted as best as I can during this episode of AEW Dynamite. Of course, we are heading into Forbidden Door this weekend. NJF has opened the show. He was immediately interrupted by Daniel Garcia. Let's see where this segment goes and let's see what takes place on the rest of tonight's show, featuring the stars of AEW and the stars of All Elite Wrestling, New Japan Pro Wrestling, CMLL, whatever groups are part of this Forbidden Door store. Let's see what takes place tonight. Stay tuned for more.